You are. And Jerica, you take incoming phone calls, right? Okay, you handle internet leads, correct? When someone is inquiring about a Motor Trend certified vehicle, the first words out of your mouth have got to be, we have a price guarantee with these, they come with a warranty, and an exchange policy. Meaning, you can't pay too much. You don't need to worry about buying somebody else's problem. And you can't get stuck with the wrong vehicle, because we're going to give you a 3-day test drive. KJ, during those first 3 days, if I buy a Motor Trend certified car from you, during the first 3 days or 300 miles, whichever comes first, if I decide I don't like the way the seat feels, if I decide that I want different equipment, if I decide I want a different color, a different model, if my dog just starts barking at it and won't stop, I have the right to bring it back here, not for a refund, but bring it back and exchange it for another. So, if I don't need to worry about the mechanical condition of it because of the inspection and the warranty, if I don't need to worry about the price because the price is guaranteed to be the lowest in the United States of America, and I don't need to worry about getting stuck with the wrong vehicle because within 3 days I can bring it back and exchange it, do all those things make it easier for me to say yes.
Yes.
That's the whole idea behind this. When Sam decided to do this, okay, but he did this for his sales team. He did this for you guys. He did this to make it easier for you to get people to A, buy cars, and B, pay us a fair profit. Because Chris, do we deserve a fair profit when we help somebody buy a car?
Definitely.
KJ,